Hey kids, how's it going today? Cool. I got something awesome to do today, and first thing though is I gotta take care of that, and then we're gonna get into that. Stick around. Now that we get that spotless, we don't. We're gonna check out this super awesome workbench that MUWOOD sent us. It is a 4-footer. It's model WB4802. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a knife over there, and we're going to get this thing open. We're going to put it together right now. Turn on some extra lights because it gets dark over here on this side of the shop because I didn't put extra lights in. We're going to, use a knife that's as sharp as the cat. That's okay. We'll get there. Oh, that's not. It was just right here. It's just right here. Okay. Now, this actually weighed quite a bit, so I did use my 2-wheeler. And that's pretty heavy duty. Oh. It's going great already. Okay. Small shop problems, I'll tell you. But we got some good space right here. Let's open this up. Got it open. Manual. Tells you some safety instructions, what to do. Don't be impatient. Safety is no accident. And then we've got some nice step-by-step instructions, tells you all what comes with it. Something that I think is super awesome is, I'll show you. It has feet and it has casters. That's cool. All right, let's get started. Hey, check. On Space Beach. Anyway, I've got everything laid out. Top over there, all the pieces right there. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to do this. They included an Allen key, and I grabbed a Phillips because we need that. I'm going to do this by hand, by no power tools. Yep. So first things first. In the instructions, it shows that you put the top on the floor. Now this is already pre-drilled for the hardware to attach. So we're going to put that down, also known as A. So let's get after it. All right, it does come with some cool stuff. It comes with, oh, here we go. Right there, another little power strip's got 2 USBs, switch on and off, and 4 outlets. That's 4. Grab the instructions. Alright, yep. It says you can use an electric drill. And a 19-inch combination wrench, it says too. So we're going to have to get one of those. And we got the parts list, and a 5mm hex key, and some thumb screws. There we go. Step 1. Down. Now I'm going to build this right on top of this guy right here. So it's going to go like this, right here. You can line up your holes right there. See that? Okay. Now we're going to put the other one over there, and we're going to get these put together. So let me get my wrench. Stick around. All right, I got it. I got that one kind of going over there. And then we're going to keep them loose for a bit here, right? Right. And just start them off with your fingers. Nice big, whoops. Well, let's just put that down. Nice big Allen key screw here. And there are pre-drilled holes for everything on the top as well. We're going to get these. Now, I'm going to get these positioned about where they go. Yep. Just like that. And same with this side. Yep, just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and get these tightened up. And I'll bring you back in a minute. All right, so I've got it kind of centered up. I did. Okay. So let's bring you in for some of that. Put you right there. Look at that, huh? Then we'll just pop one in right here. Like that. And we'll, same thing. Right over here on the corner. Get them centered up. Or get it so we can put it all together. Or not. Apparently. Okay. Hold on a minute. Okay. Now we're going to get these lined up here. And I'm only putting a couple in just so I can get it nice and right on. And once I have it all where I want it and where it needs to be, then I'll be tightening this up. We'll go from there. Stick around. Okay, we got just about all tightened up here. Just gotta nice and easy. Just snug them up real good. Now you may have to go back and tighten these up some more, but I can't get my camera going for you to see. That's okay. Just putting these guys in here. There are a few extras. They came in the bag, so that's a plus. And if you can't aim, do your best. Now everything has a nut or a rib nut in place, so that's pretty cool. All right, let's get the last few of these in here. The impact definitely makes it nicer. Got a couple to go here. You sure you get them all snugged up? All right. Now let's get this thing turned over. Getting ahead of myself. I gotta put the power strip on. Comes with its own 2 screws. And it's these guys. It's the small ones that we need our Phillips screwdriver for. And it just slips right through the hole. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory right there. Now we just tighten her down. Give it a nice hook for the cord. Yep. Easy peasy. Now, fun stuff. As if that wasn't fun. I'm gonna get you a little bit taller here. You know, like we like crazy camera use. Okay, now we've got the extension because this thing does extend. I told ya. And if you decide you need an adult, well, you know what to do. Simple. I'm going to put it on the tallest too because that's what I want. But thumb screws just hold her together. Just like that. And there's 2 per leg. Okay, and then you just 1 more. And like I said, I'm going to put the casters on, so I'm going to show you how to do that. 2. They all lock, they all swivel. But we do have, we have a foot protector on here as well. All right, so now what I'm going to do, we'll get the rest of this together, and then we'll flip it over. See you in a minute. All right, it's got a couple of wheels put on. Now remember I told you those things, I showed you what you put them on the end of the leg. I didn't show you that they actually slide all the way down to protect the leg. This one and the other one from banging together. And you can't go wrong. You just literally put them in there. It's actually made so they'll both go in there just right. Let's clean up and then turn this around. All right, there it is. In all its glory. Now, let's see how tall this is at the tallest setting. Tallest setting. 40.5 from the floor to the top. Speaking of the top, it's 1.25 inches thick. That's going to hold a lot. These are the feet that came with it. But I wanted the heels. Look at how nice that rolls. Yeah. So right now, the top of this, it's actually sitting on the workbench, is as tall as my fab area bench that I made. Now this one will hold, let's get the specifications. Now it did come with some extra pieces and parts, and that's okay. Let's see. Troubleshooting, if it shakes, check that you put the screws in correctly and that they're in the right spot. And then tighten them up. Simple, right? Yeah. All right. So it is 48 by 24. Oh, I'm sorry. And it's 1.18 inches, so almost 1.25 inches thick, so that's pretty darn cool. It has a 125 volt, 60 hertz, 12 amp power strip. It does have 2 USB, 5 volt, 2.1 amp. The top is natural rubber wood. It will go from 28 to 40 inches, and the maximum load is 2,000 pounds. So if you're wondering what 2,000 pounds looks like, the truck, in essence, could go right up on top of there. We shouldn't do that, because I can't pick that. Okay, so there it is. There's those thumb screws right there. Look at how nice and easy that rolls. Now we are going to put this down just a little bit for when I start using it. I'll tell you what, that thing's darn cool. Super duper awesome thing. Pegboard. It's got pegboard on the ends. So that is, I'll tell you what, that's pretty darn handy. Along with the that power strip. The power strip's right here. Pretty cool. This thing is definitely, it was easy to move around, easy to put together. It didn't take me more than probably 25 minutes, and I was fiddling around and, you know, talking with you guys. So had I just focused on it, I would have got it done much quicker than that. But it rolls nice and easy. The dinghy here is the power strip cord. Well, look at that thing. Yeah, don't look at, no, not Clyde, not the coupe. MUWOOD, telling you. This thing did weigh about let's see, 29 kilograms, so 60 pounds, 70 pounds almost. So not, you know, if you got someone to help you, it would be a good idea to have someone help you. But this right here is Honest Paint Speed Shop approved. I am going to have a link to down there to this product. I am very pleased with it. I'm looking forward to putting this thing through its paces, because I'll tell you what, you're going to be able to see us using this right here in the shop. Guaranteed, because I'll tell you what, we got that to build. And if it can be right here, heck yeah, check it out. I can use that right there. I'm going to put it down just a little bit. Probably one, just to get it down to my waist more, not so much my belly button. But, you know. MUWOOD. This thing is heavy duty. It is sturdy. It'll hold 2,000 pounds. Come on. Very user friendly to put together. Follow simple instructions. You can't go wrong. All right. Remember, MUWOOD. Go get you one. Link down in the description. Keep on wrenching, kids.